Hello friends, welcome to today's session on trigonometry. In this session I am going to explain first, second, third and fourth questions from exercise 8.1, page number 181, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. So let's read the first question. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeters, BC is equal to 7 centimeters. Determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. So first of all, sine of an angle is opposite side to that angle divided by hypotenuse, whereas cos of an angle is adjacent side to the angle divided by hypotenuse. Now we need the value of hypotenuse to calculate sine and cos. So we can calculate the hypotenuse of AC using Pythagoras theorem. What does the Pythagoras theorem say? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. I am applying Pythagoras theorem to calculate the value of hypotenuse, that is equal to 576 plus 49. So AC square is equal to 625. That implies AC is equal to square root of 625, that is equal to 25 centimeters. So we got the value of AC as 25 centimeters. Now first problem, let's calculate the value of sin A. Sin A is equal to, opposite side of angle A is BC, right? What is opposite side of angle A? BC. BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. That is equal to BC is 7 centimeters divided by AC is 25 centimeters. So the angle value is sin A is 7 by 25. Now what is the value of cos A? Cos A is equal to adjacent side to angle A, that is AB, divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. So AB value is 24 divided by AC value is 25. So cos A is 24 by 25. Now let's move to the second part of the question. Sin C. Now we are looking at the angle C. So this is angle C. So what is the opposite side of angle C? AB. Sin C is opposite side divided by hypotenuse is AC. So AB is 24 centimeters divided by AC is 25. So sin C is 24 by 25. Now we have to calculate cos C. Cos C is equal to, what is adjacent side of cos angle C? BC, right? BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So what is BC? BC is 7 divided by AC is 25. So cos C is 7 by 25. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's move to the second question. So there is a figure given. Can you see the figure here? So in the figure he has given PQ is equal to 12 centimeters, PR is equal to 13 centimeters. He has given the hypotenuse and one of the sides PQ. Now he is asking us to find out tan P minus cot R. So what is the tan of an angle? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the cot of an angle? Adjacent side to that angle divided by opposite side to that angle. Okay, now let us find out the side QR first, because we need the adjacent side value. So we will use Pythagoras theorem. We know that PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So that implies QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square. So that implies QR is equal to square root of PR square minus PQ square. That is equal to square root of, what is PR? 13 square. 13 square minus PQ is 12 centimeters. So 12 square. That is equal to Square root of 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144. So that is equal to 25, square root of 25. So QR becomes, square root of 25 is 5 centimeters. So QR is 5 centimeters. Now we have the values of all the three sides. Now we can calculate tan P. What is tan P? Tan P is equal to, this is angle P. Opposite side to tan P is QR divided by adjacent side to tan P is PQ. So tan P is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, QR by PQ. What is QR? QR is 5 centimeters divided by PQ is 12 centimeters. Okay, now we have to calculate cot R. Cot R is equal to, this is angle R, adjacent side by opposite side, right? So adjacent side to angle R is QR. QR divided by opposite side to angle R is PQ. That is equal to, QR is 5 divided by PQ is 12. Now he is asking us to find out the value of tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R, that is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. What is tan P? Tan P is 5 by 12 and cot R is 5 by 12. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, that is equal to 0. So the value of tan P minus cot R is 0. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's move to the third question. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A minus tan A. So he has given sin A is equal to 3 by 4. What is sin A? Sin A is adjacent opposite side to sin A, that is BC divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. So let us assume sin A is 3 by 4, right? So we'll assume that opposite side to be 3K and adjacent and hypotenuse to be 4K. So in the triangle ABC here, BC becomes 3K, that is angle opposite to, the side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A is BC, that is equal to 3K and hypotenuse is 4K. Okay, now we can find out the adjacent side. So adjacent side AB becomes AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. I have applied Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. So AB square becomes AC square minus BC square. And AB becomes square root of AC square minus BC square. That is equal to, AC is, that implies BC is 4K and AC is equal to, BC is equal to 3K, sorry. BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K. Okay, now what is AC square? 4K square minus BC square. BC square is 3K square. That is equal to square root of 16K square minus 9K square. That is equal to square root of 7K. Okay, this is the value of adjacent side AB. Now he is asking us to find out cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side to angle A? BC. Angle A is AB. AB is square root of 7K. Square root of 7K divided by hypotenuse is 4k. That is equal to square root of 7 by 4. This is the value of cos A. Now what is tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is BC by AB. What is BC? 3k divided by AB is square root of 7k. That is equal to 3 by root 7. That is the value of tan A. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's move to the fourth question. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. So what did he give? 15 cot A is equal to 8. That implies cot A is equal to 8 by 15. So what is the cot of an angle? Adjacent side by opposite side, right? So cot A becomes, let us assume the adjacent side of angle A as 8k and the opposite side of angle A as 15k. Okay. So that implies AB is equal to 8k, BC is equal to 15k. Now what will be AC? Applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is equal to 15k whole square plus 8k whole square. That implies AC is equal to square root of 15 square is 225. 225k square plus 8 square is 64k square. That is equal to 549,628, 289. 289k square. Square root of 289k square. That is equal to 17k. So the hypotenuse value is 17k. Now we have to find out the value of sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. So side opposite to angle A is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. That is equal to BC is 15k divided by hypotenuse is 17k. That is equal to 15 by 17. Now secant A. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, right? Hypotenuse is AC divided by adjacent side is AB. That is equal to 17k by 8k. That is equal to 17 by 8. So the value of sin A is 15 by 17 and the value of secant A is 17 by 8. Hope this is clear for you. That's all for this session. And please refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise. And please subscribe to the channel and share the videos and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you.